music trailer.
Play it.
Play it! Woo!
Hello. Hello.
Hello! Yes! कैसे हैं सब आज? ये शो का ट्रेलर आपने देख लिया, सो फाइनली आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड कि आप लोगों ने ये ट्रेलर देखा है। 50 दिन ये पूरा शो जो 8 एपिसोड्स का है वो हमने 50 दिन में शूट किया। The whole team, I think everyone is extremely invested, emotional about this particular story. A, because it celebrates female friendships, and what I'm so happy about that we're showing as a center for our show is the whole startup culture. उसको एक बहुत ही एंटरटेनिंग तरीके से आपके लिए हम पेश कर रहे हैं। तो जब हम ये सीन्स शूट कर रहे थे और ये किरदार निभा रहे थे, इट्स बीन वन ऑफ द मोस्ट एक्सिलरेटिंग एंड फन एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड ऑल्सो लाइक एन इमोशनल रोलर कोस्टर, क्योंकि when we were shooting this show, I think we were all discovering these amazing parts that were written for us. And I'm so thankful to Archit, to Colin, for making a show that truly celebrates बहनhood. Because bromance तो काफ़ी देखा हुआ है, love stories भी काफ़ी देख ही रहे हैं, लेकिन एक sisterhood के ऊपर एक genuine, also as a woman I always wanted people to actually see strong female friendships, and this show has so much of that. You guys are gonna love it, and I think it's a show that everyone is going to really relate to in different parts. So I know you आपका सवाल तो बहुत simple था, लेकिन I couldn't help myself because it's too long a journey to encapsulate in a few words. But I'm extremely thankful to Karan. He is somebody who constantly champions stories that make his female characters, actors always look super strong. Any woman in his in the films that he produces or directs always are in the forefront. And it's funny, we shot this show a year ago, but इस किस्म का शो एक साल में भी किसी ने भी बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की, which is interesting for us as actors to watch, क्योंकि हर 2 महीने में इतना कुछ बदल रहा है। और ऐसे दौर में भी अगर एक साल में किसी ने इस किस्म की स्टोरी बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की, इट सेज अ लॉट अबाउट। सो थैंक यू करण, आई कांट सी वेयर यू आर, बट ओके, थैंक यू फॉर मेकिंग अ शो लाइक दिस, एंड फॉर मी अ पर्सन हु इज एक्सट्रीमली लाइक समवन हु इज वेरी क्लोज टू माय हार्ट, निखिल मधोक, प्राइम वीडियो ने मुझे इतना सपोर्ट किया है एज एन एक्टर, इतना कोलैबोरेट किया है मेरे साथ। मैं जेन्युइनली, जब हम औरतों की स्टोरीज बताते हैं ना, ये सिर्फ अगर आपको सिर्फ प्रोमो में आपको ये सब दिख रहा होता और ये बैक एंड में ऐसा नहीं होता तो शायद मुझे कहीं बुरा लगता, लेकिन जेन्युइनली प्राइम वीडियो की पूरी टीम, उन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया है। सायरा, थैंक यू सो मच। हमने आपको बहुत 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 परेशान किया, लेकिन आपने हमें इतने प्यार से हमारी हर फीडबैक को इतनी खूबसूरती से आपने ऐड किया, और आज ये जो शो दिख रहा है, प्रोमो हो या शो हो, I think Apurva sir, thank you. You guys have been such a big support system for us. I don't think हम ये स्टोरी बाहर ला पाते अगर ये हम सबका जेन्युइन कोलैबोरेशन नहीं होता। एंड आपने हमें इतना सपोर्ट किया है कि आई एम जस्ट एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल एंड थैंकफुल। एंड वी हैव द मोस्ट अमेजिंग क्रू एंड अमेजिंग एक्टर्स, जो अगर मैं एक और शब्द बोलूँ तो लोग मुझसे माइक ले लेंगे, इसीलिए मैं किसी और को बात करने दूंगी, फिर मैं वापस उस पर आऊँगी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी बातें बतानी है आपको। लेकिन आई होप अभी किसी और को बात करने
हम आपके पार्टनर से ही सुनना चाहते हैं।
बिल्कुल,
Everything. You know, let me tell you, in every jodi, it's always like this. There's one who does the talking and the other one's listening. Yeah, and the one who's doing the listening. But still, Diana, I want to say, there has to be a few words from your side, because I know that you feel what Tammy said in equal and more measure. Please go for it.
Absolutely. But I want to start by saying my OTT debut is here.
Let's get into it!
Last time we were on the stage announcing it, I was very excited that I would be doing my first OTT show, and now finally it's here. So I'm very excited, and I couldn't be more excited that it is with Dharmatic and with Prime Video. And like you said, we have so much to be thankful for, to Karan, to Apurva, to Prime Video, Nikhil, to Archit and Colin, for all the patience and for also really trusting us with this script. Like Tamanna said, it is about two girls, and it's really about the friendship, and it's a very real friendship. There's nothing about it that's, you know, over the top or something that you won't believe in. When you watch it, you're going to really feel the way you feel with your best friend. The way they fight, the way they hang out, the way they party, the way they, you know, it's very real. And of course, two girls in a man's world, you know, entrepreneurship, you know, it's about startups. And like Karan very rightly put it backstage, it's a very snacky show. So I told Karan I'm going to use this word in every promotion. It's a very snacky show. It's just something that it's fun and it's light. And I'm just really proud of us, and just really happy that I got to work with this amazing cast and with Archit and Colin. So yes.
How lovely. Thank you so much. I do also want to say that the two of you, okay, are like female friendship goals. Alright? I want to have a bestie like that. Okay, who has
I know
my
what's
back.
great, I mean, since you brought it up, is that it came very naturally. Like, I think when asked them, you better say the same thing. It was very natural. We were just
बोल दूंगी या मैं बोल रही हूँ तुम्हारे बता दूंगी।
let me talk.
We are going to give Tamanna her own mic. Please, can we pass
No.
यार बातने से बढ़ता है।
Even with my mic, she's only talking.
My partners in any
So this was the chemistry on set, and we didn't have to try too hard. It just flowed. It was very effortless. So yeah, very grateful to have you as my partner in this partners show.
How amazing. Thank you so much, both of you. I remember that Tamanna said she still has a thank you to do. Shall we give you the mic again?
Somain, are you there?
Somain is here.
Somain, thank you so much. Like I can't, like for me, each and every person on this show is extremely, like there's so much creative work gone from the script level to the show fully being produced. Archit and Somain have like literally treated it like their baby, and to be honest, nobody has like, you know, they've all been very protective about this show. So it's very unique. मैंने बहुत सी फिल्में की हैं, and जब हम बड़े पर्दे के लिए जो फिल्में करते हैं, उसमें एक अलग मज़ा है क्योंकि वो एक अलग ऑडियंस को you know enjoy करने के लिए हम बनाते हैं. But I feel long form in general ऐसा एक फॉर्मेट है जहाँ पर आप अपने स्पेस में देखते हैं, और जैसे कि डायना ने कहा, इट्स अ वेरी स्नैकी शो, बट आई ट्रूली बिलीव दैट आपने कभी वो पिज़्ज़ा का स्लाइस खाया है जब आप खा रहे होते हो और इतना टेस्टी होता है कि आप इमोशनल हो जाते हो कि इतना टेस्टी पिज्ज़ा कैसे हो सकता है। मतलब पिज्ज़ा अगर नहीं होता तो हमारी लाइफ में मज़ा नहीं होता। आपको इमोशन अगर आपने कभी एक्सपीरियंस किया है तो ये शो एग्जैक्टली आपको वैसे महसूस कराएगा कि आप देख तो रहे हो मज़े के लिए, लेकिन आप रुक जाओगे बोल के इसने तो मेरे दिल को छू लिया। ये हमारी कोशिश रही है, ये तो मैं बहुत प्राउडली क्लेम कर रही हूँ, बट आई होप कि आपको ऐसा महसूस करा सके हम। एंड वी हैव एन अमेजिंग स्टेज फुल ऑफ, let me start off with Javed sir. I don't think this entire show can be made without Javed sir's presence. Because
Here he is.
he is such a, I mean, I have to say he's like the soul. There is a moment when I was watching the show, and I've had the good fortune of watching the entire show, which normally doesn't happen before, you know, doing a promotional activity like this. But when I saw, I was like, thank you sir. आप बूगी वूगी के टाइम से आपको देखती आई हूँ। आई एम ऑल्सो बूगी वूगी रिजेक्ट, so now I feel like my life has come to a full circle, that I've had the opportunity to work with you, and my life has truly enough come to a full circle because I don't think बहुत लोग जानते हैं, but नीरज कावी सर जो यहाँ पर हैं, ये मेरे लाइफ में मेरे पहले एक्टिंग टीचर हैं और उनके साथ मुझे स्क्रीन शेयर करने का मौका मिला। I swear to God, while you saw that dialogue being said there, I can't tell you, my whole life was flashing in front of me because मैं एक 13 साल की लड़की थी जो सिर्फ एक्टिंग सीखना चाहती थी। और I have to tell you, नीरज सर हमें बिना किसी पेमेंट के सिखाते थे। He had a group full of actors, young actors who just wanted to become actors. हम बच्चे थे, हमें नहीं पता है कि हम एक्चुअली एक्टर्स बन भी पाएंगे कि नहीं, लेकिन उन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया। एंड मैं और काफ़ी, मतलब हम 13 बच्चे होते थे उस ग्रुप में, और उन 13 बच्चों ने एक्चुअली, आई एम श्योर व्हेन वी डू इंटरव्यूज आई रिवील दोज नेम्स, देयर ऑल पीपल हु आर नाउ अ पार्ट ऑफ द फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी एंड दे आर डूइंग सम ग्रेट वर्क। सो ही हैज़ मेंटोर्ड अस एज किड्स, and just sharing the space was so, again, it is naturally so emotional for me that we're able to do this together. Shweta ma'am, it's very interesting that we are working, after this show we're also working on another project together. I don't know what it is, but we've had this instant chemistry the moment we were on screen together, and it was one of those things where मुझे बहुत मजा आ रहा है क्योंकि normally हमें एज फीमेल एक्टर्स इतने सारे विमेन के साथ इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करने का मौका नहीं मिलता। लाइक ऑफ कोर्स इंटरेक्शंस होते हैं, वी प्ले कैरेक्टर्स, बट आई थिंक दिस हैज बीन रियली लाइक होलसम टू परफॉर्म। एंड नकुल, देयर इज सो मच जॉय व्हेन आई सी यू परफॉर्मिंग, एंड आई रिमेंबर हमने सबसे मुश्किल गर्मी में सीन्स शूट किए हैं, लंबे लंबे सीन्स शूट किए 10 पेज डायलॉग के, एंड ही वाज जस्ट सच अ ट्रूपर। ही वुड कम एंड हम सब लोग एकदम से रिलैक्स हो जाते थे because we were like, okay, now we have, you know, we are all going to do this scene and we are all going to pull it off. And I have to say, Archit, I really think this is going to leave a very big impact on the audiences for the kind of work that you're going to put out. And to be honest, I'm looking forward to just seeing your work as a filmmaker. You're such, I mean, बहुत कम डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं जो एक्टर्स का नब्ज पकड़ सकते हैं। ये ऐसी कुछ बात बोल देंगे कि आप में से कुछ ऐसा निकल आएगा कि आपको पता ही नहीं था कि ये आप में था भी। सो अर्चित, दैट टैलेंट, एंड आई कैन प्रॉमिस यू, आई हैड द गुड फॉर्चून, जब मैंने अपना करियर शुरू किया था लोग बोलते थे कि आप बबली कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करिए। पहले 10 साल उसमें कट गए बबली कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करते करते, फिर अगले 10 साल आए, उसमें लोगों ने बोला बी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन, लेट्स बी स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमेन एंड लेट्स प्ले स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स। लेकिन Archit has come and said, can we actually show how powerful strong women are made? Let's make a show on that. And that's the show we are making for you. We made for you the journey of how powerful women are actually made, and two very different kind of powerful women. For me, Diana was just someone who was like, it's true, you know, I'm very lucky. I have some wonderful female friendships in my life. And Diana is very much a part of it. We also hang out without like work, and I feel like I'm so lucky that it's very important in a show like this for the two co-actors to actually have that chemistry and have that genuine support for each other because there's a lot of work together. And she was just there for me all throughout. And she supported me so much on days that were very, very hard. And she eats a packet of cookies every time she's in stress. And like I said, I'm going to whistle blow a bit. And then I started to eat a packet of cookies every time I was stressed. And then that's what led to like, इनको तो कुछ नहीं होता और मेरा तो कुछ और ही हो गया साइज कुकीज खाते खाते इसके जैसे तो इसका जो प्रभाव रहा है मुझ पर एक अच्छे फ्रेंड की तरफ बुरा रहा है so she's been a very good friend because she's had all the bad influence on me and Colin इस शो में जो धमाल है ना अगर इस शो में धमाल है तो ये आपके लिए है I don't think this show would be as humorous, as fun, as light-hearted, as snackable as it is. Colin, your timing, your instructions to bring out that humor out of us, which is the most difficult emotion in acting. Thank you. You brought that most difficult emotion so effortlessly to us. Sufi, he is going to just blow your mind. This is acting debut. Sir तो वैसे भी बहुत ही मतलब popular है, famous है. चलो तुम्हारी भी पोल खोल दूँ क्या?
Please.
खोल दूँ?
Yes. 100%.
ये जो दिखते हैं ना इंटरनेट पे, ये वैसे एक्चुअली हैं नहीं. ये बहुत ही प्यारे हैं. बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारे हैं और
And this is not paid. This is organic.
सॉफ्ट भी हैं और हगेबल भी हैं और वो प्यारापन आपको इस शो में दिखेगा. Have I?
You've covered everybody.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Rohini is left.
Rohini, you're such a good host, Rohini.
Thank you.
You've done such a good job, Rohini.
Thank you.
I can't go around and say all the good things about Tamanna now. She
Right,
was
hang on.
literally.
Sorry, I've taken. आपका एक दिन वाला होना चाहिए था ना. आपका पूरा ये दिन एक दिन पूरा होना चाहिए.
देखिए सिंपल सी बात है.
Yes, she was a 13-year-old kid when she came to this workshop with me. But today she spoke a lot. I've never heard her speaking so much. And that is very good. She spoke a lot of sense actually. Everything, every word she said makes a lot of meaning to what the show is all about. But you know, in those days when she was doing this workshop, 13 साल की बच्ची वो हंसती नहीं थी ज़्यादा. And she was extremely serious about what she used to do. She still retains that quality till date. She takes every moment of her work like it is the last thing that she's going to do in her life, and she works with that intensity. Whatever it is, even if it's slightly comic or if it's something light, but she's there, she's thinking of ideas, she's experimenting. Even while we're taking the shot, she comes up with ideas to tell the director. All this was a beautiful moment for me to look at this little girl who came as 13, and today she is whatever her age is, but she has really grown up to be a very wonderful person and a person who really admires her craft. Whatever she's doing, she really takes it seriously and she works with that intensity, and that's something very beautiful about you. Really lovely. Yeah, that's all I want to say.
No,
Thank
this
you.
is beautiful. Thank you.
And how lovely we all worked when on set.
Backstage.
Lovely. So our friends from media, I hope the mics are with.
First of all, congratulations to everyone for the trailer. It looks lovely, looks very fun. Tamanna, I want to ask.
Thank you for the question. For me, I definitely wanted, of course we knew it's a dramedy and it's a fun show, but we also wanted people to come on a genuine journey of how a startup is built. A lot of people helped me figure out what am I going to do for this character, Shikha. But somebody who really helped me was Vinita Jain. She's somebody I worked with in the past, and she was very kind enough to actually take us through the processes and the hardships that one has to go through while you are building a business. And in the show, as you see, I'm more of a marketing person, and I'm more of the more of a founder space where it's thought and the seed of the brand comes from this girl. But I think it's the journey which has so many interesting ups and downs, which I think you guys are gonna love. And आपने जो कहा कि Archit and Colin both were very, very specific. They were like, आप लोग लड़कियां हो, आपको कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है इसको मैनली बनाने की या जो औरतों में जो पावर होता है वो अलग होता है. आपकी वल्नरेबिलिटी आपकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है. इनफैक्ट द ट्रू सुपर पावर ऑफ अ वुमन इज द फैक्ट दैट शी इज ऑलवेज अंडर एस्टिमेटेड. And I'm sure all women in this group, in this entire space, at some point of time or the other, have felt underestimated, and that becomes the biggest strength for a woman to actually use that and turn tables around. So yeah, that was the essential seed of what we did, and I hope you guys watch it and love it.
Thank you so much.
Let me tell you first about this character, how this character was actually made. When I met Archit and Colin, this character was absolutely different. Her dressing style and everything was very, very different. So when we met Archit and we started doing our trials for our clothes, they were trying to understand the character, what is she going to wear, how she's going to look. So I started wearing westerns, of course. I started wearing jeans, leather bands, skirts, all kind of clothes. And then Archit said, "Ma'am, what if we give you a sari?" ऐसे साड़ी दोगे आप तो मैं वही रहूँगी जो इतने सालों से लगती आ रही हूँ. Then there's no change in the character. तो इन्होंने कहा कि साड़ी लोगों को लगता है कि जो औरत पहनती है वो बहुत कमज़ोर होगी या फिर शाय होगी, और जो स्कर्ट पहनती है वो बोल्ड होगी. But we are going to change that concept and we're going to make you a normal cotton sarees, and when you come on the screen, पूरे शो में तुमसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गली कोई नहीं लगेगा. And that's what he's made me do. When I wore that sari, I've worn sari all my life, you all know about it. But when Leila wears sari and she holds that cigarette, and when she comes on the screen, you get scared of her. So, and I never thought I'll be able to do something like this. I'll be able to abuse and use bad words the way Leila's doing in the show. It was a discovery. They had that faith. I don't know how they ever thought when they said आपको ये करना है. मैंने सोचा कैसे, मेरे बारे में कैसे सोचा, कैसे लगा कि मैं कर सकती हूँ. It was impossible. मैंने खुद सोच के पढ़ा तो मैंने कहा ये कैसे कर सकती हूँ. But they said आप ही कर सकती हैं. And of course जब कोई गंदी गालियाँ देनी आती थी, I used to get very upset and scared. She would hold my hand, कहती यही गाली जोर से बोलो, इसको बोलो, उसको बोलो, उसको बोलो. And Tamanna kept making me, वो fear निकालना जो था. Every time I would say something and then he would make me repeat. It was Archit. Because of Archit and Tamanna, I was able to do this character. I have to tell you this.
Amazing.
So they were a great support.
Thank you, Sharaji. That was beautiful. Thank you.
Two different characters because of these girls. और इनकी जो जोड़ी है, ऐसी जोड़ी तो फॉस्टर करने से भी नहीं आई. चलो ठीक है. Anyway, they are used to. So वो पिज़्ज़ा वाला मैं ट्राई करूँगा. ये जो तुमने कहा था कि पिज़्ज़ा खाते हुए जो इमोशंस आते हैं. Next time I have a pizza, I try to look into the emotional factor of ये पिज़्ज़ा में इमोशंस कैसे आते हैं. अलग टॉपिक बात तो you have emotional topic also पता नहीं. Sorry about that, I just diverted. So for me, the way it was written, जिस तरह से इस कैरेक्टर को डेवलप किया, उसमें एक इमोशनल एक ग्राफ है जहाँ से वो आया है, उसका बैकग्राउंड, उसकी ट्रेजेडी एक जिंदगी में हुई है इसकी वजह से, और किस मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग से ये समझते हैं कि मैं ये कर पाऊँगा. इट्स एक्चुअली बहुत फनी भी है और बहुत एक तरह से एक ट्रैजिक भी है. सो फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर इट वॉज अमेजिंग. एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने बहुत सब कुछ कह दिया तमन्ना जी ने, वो उसको मैं रिपीट नहीं करूँगा. बट Archit, the way he developed the script and working with both of them, ये दो अलग किस्म के डायरेक्टर लेकिन इतने अच्छे, मतलब they merged together so well. एक ये जो हार्मनी हुई इनकी, because Colin is this great fun and he's the quite kind of guy who thinks. So but the way they have divided the scenes and how they have executed it, it's been an amazing journey for me as an actor. And बहुत मजा आया, और सारे actors, especially Tamanna, Diana, congratulations, Subi, congratulations, debuts. And नीरज भाई के साथ मेरा एक, मतलब मेरी जिंदगी का एक, मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा वो एक सीक्वेंस है. वो आप लोग जब सीरीज देखोगे तो this was how when we get involved as actors into characters and we can't say cut because it's continuing, and it was a very emotional moment. मेरे life का I have never had this kind of interaction with an actor. And total Neeraj bhai, this is my third series with him. brilliant, amazing actor, so much to learn, and so good working with the team.
Thank you.
And श्वेता के साथ भी जिस तरह से हमारा एक relationship है वो बहुत ही unusual और मजेदार है. And so it was fantastic working, brilliant. I love it. Thank you.
Thank you, Samina.
कैसे अलग होती है इनफैक्ट वो बहुत मोर पावरफुल होती है मैं उसके अंदर ऐड करना चाहूँगा सॉरी
I think you know what she got it. I
Yeah.
actually it's yeah.
I just want to say that normally कहा जाता है कि एक सक्सेसफुल आदमी के पीछे एक औरत होती है, वैसे ही एक सक्सेसफुल औरत के पीछे there are lots of strong men supporting, and in our case it's been the wonderful pillars of Prime Video, Dharmatic, Archit, Colin and the entire cast and crew. And मैं सच में बोल रही हूँ, मेरे अपने लाइफ में मैं आपको एक बात बता सकती हूँ कि मेरे पिताजी एक्चुअली मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा सपोर्ट सिस्टम रहे हैं. और आज मैं आपके सामने एक बहुत ही प्यारे जर्नलिस्ट ने मुझसे कहा कि आप इतने अलग अलग किरदार निभाती हैं. Once I'm doing a Tamil film, I'm doing a Telugu film, I'm doing a song, then I'm doing a show. How am I able to do all that? I have so much support at home from my father, from my brother, and such wonderful men in my life. And इसीलिए जब लोग शायद हमें पर्दे पर देखते हैं, किसी इंटरव्यू में देखते हैं, मैं कहना चाहूँगी उन सब मर्दों से, अपने घर में जो आपकी औरतें हैं उन्हें सपोर्ट कीजिए. You want to be there for them, to see them flower, and I am in front of you the proof of that, and that's the truth. I've had wonderful men in my life who've been the support system, and I'm here because of that. औरतें खुद बहुत पावरफुल हैं, लेकिन वो कभी-कभी you really need a reflection. You need to see how you are powerful, and sometimes it's wonderful men in your life that make you see that. So that's the truth.
वाह हमें नया डायलॉग मिल गया है हम यूज कर पाएंगे सर राइट थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you. Thank you so much. Our next question.
Something I've not done before, yes, because I've never done a long format before. But also character-wise, so she was not the demure girl that I've played before. She's not the boisterous girl that I've played before. But I think that she was the most real person that I've played so far. And I think that's what when Archit and I sat down to discuss this character, and I wanted to know what he had in mind about her. I think that was one of the main points that came to mind, is that we need to make this show as real as possible, and every character has to be as real as possible. And I think that's one of the most special parts about this show, that each character has been cast so perfectly to fit the part. And so yeah, we took a lot from my own experiences in life, from I'm sure Archit and Colin's experiences in life as well. You know, there have been many situations in the show when you watch them, which have actually happened to a lot of us, which again makes it so real, relatable and believable. But that was always our end goal, for it to just for an audience to be able to relate. And the best way to relate is if it's something that's happened to you, or if it's a kind of friendship that you've had before, or even if people are just people. Sometimes you don't have to say much. You don't have to have like lines and lines and lines of dialogues. You can just be in a scene, and it will be extremely powerful. In fact, those are the more powerful scenes when there's silences. So I think that's what we aimed to do and hopefully have done. But it was challenging because of the fact that it's a lot of work. But it's also so much more satisfying creatively, because you get so much more to play with, and to get into the depth of characters, which yes, of course you get to do in films, but I feel not as much and not as often. Yes, of course, because this was a female-led show. Not really, actually, it was a complete ensemble-led show, but because the two girls had a lot to do, and it was about the business that they get into together. We were actually in a lot of scenes, and in those 50 days, I think we worked pretty much all of, 45 of them at least. So challenging from that point of view, but also extremely, extremely satisfying. So just made the challenges so much worth it.
Grace,
Sorry, can I just add one thing?
Sure.
I have to say this after people are going to watch this show, and I'm making all these claims because why not?
Why not? This is
Why
it.
not? ये शो देखने के बाद लोगों को बुरा लगेगा कि वो लोग ने डायना को अब तक इंटरेस्टिंग कैरेक्टर्स क्यों नहीं दिए. She has performed like such a superstar, and by that I mean performance. I mean, as an actor, I've been blown away. You know, there's so much emphasis on being a pretty face, but she is so much more than that. And I've seen her give her heart and soul to this character, and she is, for me, she'll always be a Nayaka because Annie Boo.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I think we have one more question to go.
Hi, Nakul, मेरा
शुक्रिया पीयूष बनी कि नहीं कुछ तो बना है आप लोगों ने देखा आज कैसा लगा मस्त लग रहा है ग्रेट गुड टू हियर मैं कहना चाहूँगा मुझे ये मौका मिला है क्योंकि ये जो दो मोहतरमाएं हैं यहाँ पर इन्होंने they decided to enter into a male territory which is the business we are into, the beer business, and वहाँ पे उन्हें एक brewer चाहिए था, and I'm glad they decided to trust a man from East Delhi who's a single father, right? And because of them, I got to sort of brew a lot of things together, and I think मेरा शायद तीसरा दिन इनका तीसरा दिन था, मेरा पहला दिन था, और मुझे कहना पड़ेगा कि for me it was a new place of sort of coming into long format मैंने इतना किया नहीं है. It was first time working with Prime Video, Thermatic, सारे ख्वाब थे जो पूरे हो रहे थे. And I remember the first day it was गर्मी थी मई की, मड में शूटिंग कर रहे थे, and तमन्ना and Diana was a champion. Do you remember the first scene? मतलब ये लोग कैसे कर रहे थे, and they were shooting, they were at it, and I remember Tamanna and I were, उस दिन we took a ferry back for one of the days on the schedule, and मुझे पता चला बाद में कि ये 4 बजे उठकर जिम भी जाती है. मुझे इतना बुरा लगा, मुझे लगा कि मेरी जिंदगी कठिन है, मैं रात को बच्चे को सुलाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, फिर यहाँ के बियर ब्रू कर रहा हूँ, but when I saw both of them work, ये आ रही थी all the way every day from Baikala, right? It's amazing champion. So I think both of them really set the template for what the work ethic on the show will be. And I think the rest of us just kind of flowed like beer, which is kind of, I think, trailer में दिख रहा है, show में भी दिखेगा. पर enjoy कीजिए जैसे आप अपनी beverage of choice enjoy करते हैं show को.
क्या बात है? Thank you so much.
I just want to say, may I just say one thing?
Yes, sir. Definitely. Why not?
So just to say one very beautiful thing about Javed Bhai. I think I've seen Bol Baby Bol, the dance, when I was in the 10th standard or the 12th standard. That's when I saw this amazing performer who came in, because before that we saw many coming in, but this was something else altogether. So all of us boys in the school, 10th and 12th standard, we were blown away by this performance. And much later, when I went into college and other things, I saw Javed Bhai performing comedy. And with the intensity and the seriousness with which he performs is really beautiful, because comedy is not about trying to make people laugh. It's about being very serious about what you're doing. Only then it becomes very comic. If you try to make somebody laugh, it will not be comic. And I think that's what he specializes in very beautifully. And it was a pleasure that we had, I think, one scene together or 2 scenes, something like that. Very few scenes. But one major scene that we did, which he even spoke about, कि आप उसको देखिएगा. It was such a delight to do that, because you've been seeing somebody from your school days, and then your college, and then now you're doing a beautiful sequence with him, a scene, and that was a scene that gave me so much of space to just blow my mind out to whatever I wanted to do. And this was not planned between the two of us. We never spoke about it. It was like a beautiful jugalbandi between 2 performers. And Javed Bhai was kind enough to be there continuously without asking me or stopping me to say, "Ruk, मुझे बता दो tu क्या करने वाला है." Nothing of that sort. We just went on with it so beautifully. And it's come out to be very, very beautiful. And so thank you for that, Javed.
Thank you, Dheeraj. Thank you.
Oh man.
I
Thank
just
you
have
so
small
much.
things to say.
Of course.
फाइनली मैं आपके बीच में ऐसे नहीं हुई, ये बड़े सवाल पूछे जाते हैं हमको. No. I want to ask the director. अर्जुन एंड कॉलिन, आप लोग तो बिल्कुल अलग दुनियाओं से हो, but how was your experience of working together? That is, I'm sure everyone wants to know how you guys felt about it. Colin, was it catchy enough for you? Catchy. about you guys. No, I'm talking about
Guys.
I'm talking about an interpersonal relationship.
No, I thought you were asking about us.
You can talk about us also, but first talk about yourself. Colin, please tell us what was your personal experience. आपने कुछ नोक झोंक हुई?
बिल्कुल नहीं actually. I'm so lucky and grateful that I get to work on. Yes, because obviously it was written very well. I want to mention the writers here, Mithun, and the entire team of writers. We had a wonderful script in place, and then when I heard the cast, I was like, of course I'm going to work on this. I will never get to work with such an illustrious, amazing cast like all of you all have said. Vanira sir, Javed sir, Shweta ma'am, Sufi, Tamanna and Diana, Nakul. We've had a great time. Even Ran Vijay, who was not here today. But I think it's